Hey guys, welcome to Million Moves. Today I talk about the new update for the CleanScalper and how you can set up your own alerts. The first thing you want to do is just remove your current version, click on the X, then click on Indicators, go to Invite Only Scripts and click on CleanScalper. Now if you want to check if you have the new version, click on the settings icon here. Then under presets there should be a new option called Falcon. If you see this, you have the new version. Now we want to set up an alert. The new alert system is not only for the crossing, it skips the purple parts. This is what we want, right? Purple means no entry, red means entry, green means entry. So we have created a new update where you can get an alert when the CleanScalper turns green, not purple, green, or red also. So I show you the example. We go on the CleanScalper and make a right click. Right click, add alert on Million Moves CleanScalper. Now we have the alert window. Make sure the condition is this one, Million Moves CleanScalper. It's automatically when you do it like this. Then we select full green only once when crossed. This means when this red crosses is purple and becomes green, we get our alert. This is what we want. Full green buy. Create. Then I create a second one for the sell condition, add alert, the same thing, and here I select the second option, full red, once per bar close, okay, and then I write the same, full red sell. Create. Just to double check, I click again on the settings of the alert, and as you can see, I had it on only once. This means if it gets triggered once, it will be paused. So we change this setting on once per bar close. So our alert stays active, okay? Save. Now we are on the 10-second chart. I'm on the 10-second chart to show you how the alert function works, okay? I will just skip this part so you can see when the alert happens. Okay guys, now we can see our alert was triggered. Here you can see it's green and it says full green buy. I click on OK and now every candle which is green will not shown, okay? It triggers only once. Now the other alert, the full red sell, will happen when this green changes to red. Then this one will trigger. Now maybe you are somewhere here in the chart, okay? It was green and it's purple and you want to trigger. You want to trigger with the condition every time if it's green. What can you do? You make a right click, click on add alert, and then we have these two options, every green. So if you do every green once per bar close, every green, create, then every time the CleanScalper is on full green, you will get the alert. This is the second option. Normally I would just use the full green buy once or full red sell once. Alright guys, if you have any questions, just write on Discord or send me a direct message and I will help you. See you.